Number 15, guys. Interior lights have two colors. So the two colors are orange, which is the normal look, I think, or classic look. I'll have a look anyway. And white, which on this page it comes with blue, because this is aftermarket. I put that in myself. So this is orange right now. So all the interior lights will be orange. You got these lights up here, they'll be orange. All that will be orange. I'll show you at night time. All these underlays are orange. Right now it's daytime, so you can't really see much, apart from this one, which is very bright. So you got two color settings, like I said, orange and white. So I'll show you them now. Turn this down. I'm gonna have to edit that out. Okay, guys. So if you go to vehicle, no, you don't. You go to settings, lights. So the mode we're in right now is classic. So the orange is classic, if you can have a look there. So if I change that to sports mode now, so this is the second color mode, everything changes to white. So that's meant to be white, but it looks a bit more blue, but it is white. As you can see, these lights have changed white. All these underglow lights will be white as well, everything here. So yeah, I'll show you at night time what two different colors. So yeah, everything changes. It's pretty cool. I like it. And yeah, and this also changes, everything changes. So I'll show you guys at night time right now. Now guys, this is what it looks like at night time. This is the orange setting, as you can see. Orange there, orange down there, all these orange. What else is there? That's orange. Just all the buttons and stuff and everything. And I'll show you the other one. So you go to lights, put sports mode on. So sports mode, everything goes white. As you can see, this gone like a bluey white. That's all gone white. The top bit's gone white. Under the door handle's gone white. The white's not very bright compared to the orange one. Not sure why, it's just how it is. Oh yeah, there's a light under here as well, but I'm currently blocking it. Can you see? So that goes white as well. It used to be orange. Yeah, that's all the lights. So as you can see, there's two different light settings, which is pretty cool.